All right, April 9th, 2009, chasing up to northeast Oklahoma, hopefully into southeast Kansas. Something will ride along the dry line today. But we had a vigorous dry line push through.
You get too excited.
It's working so far.
You want to give us a little synopsis of what's going on?
Yes, we have a dry line right here, bulging just east of the metro area.
There you go, good boy.
Okay. Bulge east of the metro area. We have another spike. I'm gonna call it a dry line spike. Right here, north of Ponca City.
Yep.
There's a cell right at the tip of that. We also have a cell just southeast of us.
Yep.
We're trying to get north as far as we can so that we can tap into the better helicities up north. We want to play along the warm front in southeast Kansas, but traffic has been a big problem so far.
Yep, been getting slowed down a lot, and you know that makes me not happy.
All right, we are pursuing our first storm.
Finally, after making the mistake of going a little too far northeast and running into a lot of traffic. Fortunately, we haven't missed much yet because nothing's really going on.
We have lots of convection, but nothing that's too impressive at this point. We do have an updraft base right here, just out in front of us. We're hoping this one, as it continues to merge with the storm north of it, that this one will have the best chance of developing anything.
Well, I'm leaning toward just being complete crap. But it is now 4:46, and we are going to try to go back down southeast. Hold it this way on. Yeah.
So we've got
chasing the Kansas is just looking.
We've got this dry line bulge here with absolutely nothing interesting on it.
Everything up to the north is moving straight north on the side of that low.
This is the blob that we're chasing currently.
Yep, and it's weak sauce.
It is not doing anything.
We had one zone that looks discreet for a little while, but then just another one.
The only thing remotely interesting is this little curl thing that's happening just south of Jenks, Oklahoma, but no rotation in the velocity fields, and it appears to be slightly weakening now.
Maybe some discrete stuff going off the top.
We're watching these,
but probably not.
Probably
Probably going to be terrible.
We have some cold core stuff to the west.
Yep, I do document that.
But those are also just a blob right now.
So we ran into our TVN friends. Coolest thing we've seen all day is this cloud growing really fast. Really, really fast. That's it. West of Sedan, chilling out, doing nothing. Boring. Terrible. This is completely, totally, awfully terrible. Everything is linear. Everything that even has a chance of being discrete gets sucked into something else.
Right here.
Starts humping another thunderstorm. Like, go down south, like what we were thinking about. We were thinking about look at this. We were so desperate. We were thinking about chasing that.
This
right
thing,
there,
as it's split off, and it's dying.
And it's SPC still is thinking about issuing another tornado watch. Well, we can see clearly now because the rain is gone, as is all the severe threat in this region, anything remotely close to here, except for maybe like southwest Missouri later after dark. So, we're going home.
We are heading south, a whole line of storms basically to our east that is not doing anything at all. SPC just issued a tornado watch, a second one for south central Kansas.
Could be legitimate, but we don't know enough to say it's not.
Yeah, for this area that they're expecting more storms to develop. We'll see if that really happens. So far, no supercells at all.
And this is Poncho's in Tulsa. Every time you bust, you have to get crappy food. How was your food, guys? Looks like you ate up.
Soapy feet. Soapy feet.
Tasty, tasty.
I'm about to hurl.
Check out these cheese quesadillas. They're real good.
This is the only thing that is somewhat decently edible.
Those were pretty tasty.
Really have to.